Okay, we are going to visit the apartment on the noble floor of this building, which is dated 15th century, and the apartments takes all the first floor, which used to be the noble floor of the entire building. So we have these three windows facing on the main avenue of the town, and we are very close to the square on the right, and to the end of the avenue to the left. And we also have free parking areas down there at the entrance. So let's go. Well, we have the apartment on the first floor, and then we have two storages on the ground floor. So actually we have a laundry room in here and a storage room down there. Let me show you the laundry, which is storage, and it also has water connection in here, so it's perfect to become a laundry area, and also enough space to store bicycles or things. Then this is the main staircase of the entire building. And here is the second storage, which is quite big. And this used to be, the owner used to be a craftsman, so he used to have here all his things. The building hosts three units, one on the first floor, which is the one we are going to see, and then two other units on the upper floor. So all these three doors belongs to the same unit that we are going to see. And because of these three doors, it would be easy to split the main unit into two smaller apartments, which is good for renting. So by entering the apartment, we have all the living area just to the right, and kitchen in here. And then we have the main living. This room has very high ceiling, and also its original frescoes, which has been covered, unfortunately, probably in the 60s, but by removing the white plaster you can take the original frescoes back to life. That is one of the 3 doors facing the main staircase. This room can also be converted into a kitchen, because just below this room we have the laundry area, so it's possible to connect for water and sewage easily. Wastewater, sorry, not sewage. This side of the apartment is facing the other street of the town. While to the right we have the main avenue. All the windows, as you can see, are double glazed. This one is the second door into the staircase. So actually, by closing this door, you have 1 unit to the right and 1 unit to the left. And then here we have currently the only bathroom of this full bathroom of this apartment. We have this main bathroom with bathtub and shower. And then we have this hall with this fireplace, which the owner told me it's dated from the Crusaders. This is the second toilet. And then we have 1 bedroom in here. And then master bedroom in here with high ceilings as well. And then the last room, which is currently storage, but it could be a single bedroom or an office or a library. And here it's just another storage area. This was probably an old door connecting to the other building nearby. So this is it about this apartment. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, and see you on my next property tour.